There's a boulder. More stairs. Hearing the immense traffic in the metropolitan of Macanda. Definitely a fun trail. Haven't been here in a while. Howdy folks, Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. Today we are at the Giant City Nature Trail. It's a 1 mile loop. They call it rugged. I think it's about moderately rugged. So, haven't been here in a while. Gonna enjoy a nice hike. Some CCC craftsmanship. Alrighty. A little bit of bluffage from the start of the nature trail. Right after you climb a pretty good hill. Always a gut buster. Still climbing the hill. Michelle and her hills. She's always like, I'm like, let's go hiking. She's like, as long as there's hills. The bluffage is pretty amazing along this trail. A lot of cool things to see. Alright, so when we got here, Michelle found this on the ground. Just a key. And I said, well, maybe you'll find your treasure chest. And just now, when looking on the ground, I found this. It's a lock. It's the key to that lock.
Where's the box of treasure? It's next.
Alrighty. On the bluffage, on the stairage. This must have been really hard to get up at one time. I'm going to put stairs through here. I don't remember it without them. It's cool to walk by the old bluffage. Oldest thing out here. These rocks. These rocks.
Really?
There's my rock. Right there. I'm holding on to her.
Quack.
Quack. Sounds like a duck. Quack.
Really?
Giant City streets. Where all the carvings are. This right here is Fat Man Squeeze. So you kind of squeeze in there and kind of climb up to the top. Wouldn't do it though. Snakes hibernate in there, venomous ones. There's Casper, the friendly ghost. And all the carvings. 1897. $19.10. All right, folks, really cool stairs. Always love these. Alrighty, good old bluffage. This is a great trail to hike during hunting season. No hunters, you can hear them.
rain's good.
Huh? Hope the rain's good?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Unfortunately, people graffiti. Even just writing on something with a rock, you know. Just looks so much better with that not being there. I don't even like the arrow being there, you know. And more bluffage as we get back to the start of the lollipop loop. It's definitely a cool trail. If you've never been, check it out. If you have been, visit back. You know, a lot of people just come here during certain seasons. This trail's really pretty during all the seasons. Alrighty, folks. Thompson Brothers Rock Art Site. That was Giant City Nature Trail. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out the description for a free guide I wrote for this park. It's pretty popular. In fact, I think it's more popular than the state park website. Sorry, but you know, I'm into marketing. That's what I do. But